I do know if I'm allowed to go after that.
Okay. So I got one more exercise for you. What I'm going to have you do is turn and face towards where your car is, and then place your hands behind your back.
On October 19th, 2025, Orlando Police Department officers responded to a welfare concern inside a parking garage. A vehicle was found with visible damage and a flat tire. Its driver struggling to navigate the structure. What began as a routine safety check escalated through lawful, methodical procedure into a DUI arrest.
No.
We can have her crawl out, or we can try to move it. Hold that for a second.
Yeah. My car? Yeah, I know. It's probably better to just do that.
Ma'am, right now we crawl out to the passenger side.
Just because there's no room for you to open the door on that side, all right?
We gotta have you come out on this side.
Can we have you come out?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
please.
Thank you.
Your car's in park, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor, turn it off too?
Yes, I
Thank you so much.
don't want to be wrong. Can you cover these?
Sure. Oh, that's my bad. That was my slippy
I'm
fingers.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
You're good.
We'll get him.
You can hop on out, miss.
You're good. You're good.
I got it. Don't worry about it. I'll get it. Don't worry about it. Come, hop on out. I'll get him. Hop on out.
Crawl across. You
Yeah.
can do it.
I have faith in you. Come on this side. Nope, that's not going to work.
Ma'am, don't do that.
Yep.
Don't do that.
This way.
Come on this way.
You have to come out this way. That's why I opened the door for you. Alrighty, can I have you come back to the back of your car for me? You're good right there. Ma'am. Okay, that works. So listen, do me a favor and hang up the phone, okay? We're in the middle of doing an investigation, okay? Ma'am, you need to hang up the phone, okay? Hang up the phone. Okay.
I just want to let you know.
You hang the phone up now.
Okay. Mom.
I understand that. So, we just can't have you doing that while we're in the middle of this investigation, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to leave the section and there was nobody here.
Gotcha. So, where are you trying to get to?
I'm trying to get to 96.
Nah, say that again? Ninth what?
One drive.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I have been here for a long time. I would say that I've been for like at least 4 or 5 hours. I had hang out at Fiction.
At Fiction?
I left Fiction and I went to Parlay. And after Parlay, I was going to go back to home.
Okay, I gotcha. So, do you remember if you maybe consumed any alcoholic beverages tonight?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Do you remember how many you may have consumed?
No, I don't.
You don't remember at all?
No.
Do you have any idea whatsoever on a number?
I probably say like 3 or 4.
3 or 4? Okay.
Yes.
Do you remember what kind?
It was definitely tequila.
Definitely tequila. Okay. All right.
Initial contact was authorized under the Fourth Amendment's community caretaking exception, no warrant. No reasonable suspicion required. Once contact was made, observable indicators shifted the encounter to an investigative detention under Terry v. Ohio. The subject admitted to consuming 3 to 4 tequila drinks at 2 establishments over roughly 5 hours. That admission was made voluntarily during a non-custodial stop. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, traffic stops do not constitute custodial interrogation. Miranda warnings were not required at this stage. The statement is fully admissible. The officer obtained explicit consent before initiating field sobriety testing. Under Florida Statute 3:16.1933, refusal cannot be used against a defendant. Consent was given. Fourth Amendment. Challenges to testing are foreclosed. 3 NHTSA standardized tests were administered. Individual accuracy rates 77, 68, and 65% combined. The battery reaches 91% accuracy at blood alcohol concentration of 0.10 and above. The subject showed multiple indicators across all 3 tests. Combined with her admission, probable cause was established for arrest.
Would you be willing to do, actually before I say that, do you have any medical conditions of any kind?
No, I do not.
No diabetes or no any other type of medical conditions? No?
No.
Okay. Would you be willing to do field sobriety exercises for us? We
Yes.
just have concerns regarding your driving.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, fantastic.
The only
kind
reason
of-
why I honked my horn was more so because
Yeah,
there
it's
wasn't
flat.
nobody here.
So I'm gonna have you walk over there with us where it's nice and flat.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or
Everything is in my car, obviously.
Yeah.
All
That's
my
fine.
personnel
Here was
so we're gonna come right over this way. Right that way. That way it's nice and flat because this is a little sloped. This way. Keep coming this way. So right over here, this nice white line's big and flat. So what I'm gonna have you do is just turn and face me, please. So what I'm gonna do, the first thing I'm gonna do is just do a check with your eyes. So I'm gonna have you stand with your feet together just like this, and hands at your sides, and stay just like that while I give you all the instructions. Okay? So when I tell you to, you're gonna follow this little red light with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head at all. Only follow it with your eyes. So for example, if I were to do it, you're going to look at this with your eyes, and you're not going to move your head, but you're going to move your eyes. So look at what my eyes are doing. You're going to do this, back and forth. Okay? Do you understand those instructions?
Yes.
Okay. So reminder, don't move your head, and stay perfectly the way you are with your feet together, hands at your sides. Okay? All right. What was your first name again, ma'am? I'm sorry.
Milani.
Milani?
Yes.
Okay, Milani, make sure you don't move your head, okay? Have you tilt your head up just a tiny bit. Oh, there you go. Make sure you follow it all the way out, okay? Do you mind standing behind her in case she falls over?
Yes, sir.
I just want to make sure you have your balance,
Yeah,
okay?
absolutely.
Alrighty, Milani, you can relax. So, you can relax. So the next, you don't have to stand with your feet together anymore if you want to relax. So the next thing I'm going to have you do is the walk and turn exercise. So we're going to use this straight white line here. So can I have you come over here? Yeah, this one. We'll use this one instead. It's a little more clear. I'm sorry, Milani, you can come over here. We'll use this one. This one's a little cleaner and clearer.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, what I'm going to have you do is place your left foot on the line. And then place your right foot in front of your left foot with the heel of your right touching the toe of your left. So it's going to look like so with your feet. Just like that, but get your right foot onto the line for me. So, for example, I'm going to show you. My left foot on the line. Put your left foot on the line. Take your right foot, put it right in front of it on the line. Just like that, with your heel of your right touching the toe of your left, and then your hands at your sides. And stay just like that while I give you the rest of the instructions, okay? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps forward. Keep your front foot planted at the end of those steps. Do a series of small steps to turn around, and you're going to do 9 more steps back down the line. And I'm going to demonstrate for you. So it's going to look like so. I'm doing it this way so you can see. I'm going to do 3 steps, but remember when you do it, you're going to do 9 steps. When you're doing that, look down at your feet and count your steps out loud, okay? So, 1, 2, 3. Keep the front foot planted. Series of steps to turn around. 1, 2, 3.
Is it 3 or is it 9?
You're doing 9. I did 3 just to give you a quick demonstration.
Okay.
Okay? Do you understand all those instructions?
Yes.
Okay. So when you're ready, oh, careful. When you're ready, you can begin, Milana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. I will be honest with you guys, obviously.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. So we'll do the next exercise, which is the one leg stand exercise. So what I'm going to have you do, you can take a step over this way so you don't got to worry about the line anymore. So you stay just like that. Place your feet together like so and put your hands at your sides. And stay just like that while I give you the rest of the instructions. When I tell you to begin, you're going to raise whichever footy you're choosing about 6 inches off the ground in front of you, kind of like the height of like a soda can. You're going to look down at your raised foot, and you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. So it's going to look something like this. I'm going to... 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. I'm going to demonstrate real quick for you. I'm going to use my right foot. You use whichever foot you want. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and so on, just like that, until I tell you to stop. Okay, do you understand those instructions?
Yes.
Alrighty, give me just a moment. Alrighty, when you're ready, you can begin. Actually, I'm sorry, give me one more second. My watch decided to give me issues. There we go. Alright, when you're ready, you can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1001, 1002, 1003.
So, Melanie, do you remember my instructions?
Yes.
Okay, because you're taking steps instead of just raising your foot. So I'll demonstrate it for you one more time.
You told me that it's from now.
Let me demonstrate it for you one more time. So what you're gonna do, whichever foot you want, you're gonna raise it out in front of you. You're not gonna take steps with it. You're gonna raise it out in front of you, you're gonna look down at it, and you're gonna count out loud, okay? If you put your foot down, just pick it back up and continue where you left off. Okay? So it's not steps, it's just raising a foot in front of you. Okay? Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready, you can begin.
Am I ready? Or
You tell me, are you ready?
I was waiting for you to let me know that I am ready.
You are ready. So if you feel you're ready, you're ready. So whenever you want to begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4.
Florida's implied consent law, statute 316.1932, deems every driver in the state to have consented to breath testing upon lawful DUI arrest. The Supreme Court in Birchfield versus North Dakota confirmed breath tests require no warrant. They fall within the search incident to lawful arrest exception. Results .261 and .259 blood alcohol concentration, more than 3 times Florida's legal limit of .08. Under Florida statute 316.193, a first offense with blood alcohol concentration exceeding .15 triggers enhanced penalties, up to 9 months incarceration, fines up to $2,000, mandatory ignition interlock, and extended license suspension. 3 takeaways from this case. First, document every articulable fact at every stage. Lawful escalation from consensual contact to reasonable suspicion to probable cause requires a clear record that holds up in court. Second, NHTSA protocols allow no improvisation. Any deviation, regardless of intent, creates a suppression vulnerability. Third, voluntary consent resolves Fourth Amendment exposure, but subjects retain Fifth Amendment protections at every stage of the encounter.
I do know if I'm allowed to go after that.
Okay. So I got one more exercise for you. What I'm going to have you do is turn and face towards where your car is, and then place your hands behind your back.
Foxtrot 3-1, you to check?
Alright, so we can just walk back towards the booth. We'll come speak with you in a minute. Out front, in front of the office. So we can just bring her near where her car is and just all back up. I know. It's like timing. Not yet. Basically, watch your step. Yes. Huh? Yes, I want Johnson's, yes. So hang out right here with this officer.
I definitely want to make sure my mom gets a hold of this.
I gotcha.
I don't know her name by heart, so if
I gotcha. Well,
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.